So I used to think I needed hundreds of thousands of dollars to make any real financial progress. And with everything getting more expensive and my income never seeming to catch up, it felt impossible to get ahead. Luckily, after doing some digging, I found out all I needed to do to make an extra $10,000+ every single year was to just move my money around a little bit differently. So because I love you, I'm going to show you how to make an extra $12,885 by leveraging your paycheck, your spending, and your savings using offers you can apply for as soon as this video ends. There's no big catch here, no crypto or NFT scam, no side business you have to start. This is just about putting your money in better places so it can do more for you. And the even better news is you're already doing most of this. You already have money coming in, money going out, and at least some money sitting somewhere, so you just have to move the pieces around. And where every money journey starts is whenever you get paid, so let's get started with your paycheck. For this example, I'm going to assume you get paid $1,500 every other week, and most people let their paycheck land in the same checking account every 2 weeks and never think about it again. It turns out that's really great for the bank, but not so great for you. Because the second your paycheck lands in the bank, your bank gets to use your money and make money off of it. This is such a lucrative thing that there are always dozens of banks that will give you an incentive to change your direct deposit over to them. Right now, for example, Wells Fargo is paying $400 for a new everyday checking account if you get $1,000 or more in qualifying direct deposits within 90 days, and Chase is also paying $400 for those same requirements in their total checking account. So if you get paid around twice a month, that same month, if you routed your paychecks over to Chase and Wells Fargo, you'd be making an extra $800. Just by switching where your paycheck lands, you can start getting paid almost immediately for money that was going to hit your account anyway. The process is really simple. You just open the account, set up your payroll or direct deposit so that your paycheck hits that account, and then the bank pays out the bonus once you satisfy the terms after anywhere from 15 to 60 days. Now let's zoom out for a minute. That was just 1 month, and this is much bigger than just Wells Fargo or Chase. There are dozens of banks with active bonuses like this one. I made a stack with active bonuses that are currently available, and if you did this over the course of a year, you could make $4,175 if you just sequence it out correctly. Now there are a few things you have to look out for here. You have to read the terms, keep track of deadlines, and set a little money aside from each bonus because they are taxed as interest. For me, I personally set aside about 30% so that I was ready for Uncle Sam when it comes for tax time. If you're sloppy, you can miss the bonus or pay avoidable fees. But if you can follow directions and stay organized, this is one of the easiest wins in your financial life. So now that you've made your money, the next thing you generally do with your money is spend it, and that takes us into checkpoint number 2, your spending. And the best way to get paid, despite what Dave Ramsey said, is by spending your money on stuff with credit cards. This is where people can get tripped up because they hear credit cards and they think I'm telling them to spend more money and accrue a bunch of interest. I'm not. I'm talking about spending you are already doing anyway. Groceries, gas, utilities, insurance, subscriptions, random life expenses. For this example, I'm going to say you can get about $2,000 per month in normal spending. That's $24,000 a year. You're going to spend that anyway, so you might as well get rewarded for it. At a bare minimum, you should be earning 2% back on that spending because there are $0 annual fee cards that will let you do that with no caps, such as the Citi Double Cash or the Wells Fargo Active Cash. At $24,000 a year, that's already $480 you're going to be making without having to adjust anything else in your life. But the real supercharge from credit cards is from sign-up bonuses. And here's an example with an offer that's currently available right now. Right now, the Capital One Venture Card has a bonus that you could value at about $1,000 between a $250 travel credit and 75,000 miles that are worth $750 or more. So that's $1,000. There is a $95 annual fee that you have to subtract, and you're left about $905 in net value on the card. How do you actually get that bonus? You apply for the card and get approved. You hit the spending requirement using purchases you were already going to make anyway. In this case, for this bonus, you need to hit $4,000 in spend within 90 days. Then you earn the bonus. Subtract the annual fee, and that's the whole payoff there. Now let's zoom out a little bit. Let's say you repeat that over 4 offers over the course of a year. You get about $905 in value just on the sign-up bonus. We're not even factoring in the spending multiplier. That's $3,630. You add that $480, and that brings your spending to $4,110 per year. So that means the dollars that were already leaving your life can pay you back on the way out. So checkpoint number 2 is simple. If you're spending money anyway, it should be paying you. things to watch out for with credit cards. If you overspend just to chase a bonus, you generally lose. If you carry a balance and pay interest, you definitely lose because there are high interest rates. So you always want to make sure you pay off your balance in full every month. Also, if you miss payments and get disorganized, you lose. But if you can do that, and I believe you can, that is one of the easiest ways to make your normal life more profitable. So you've made your money with your paycheck, you've spent it on necessities and what you normally do in your daily life with your spending. Now the money that's left over is checkpoint number 3, your savings, that we're going to talk about next. For this example, I'm going to assume you have about $50,000 in savings. I know that's a lot for a lot of you, but there are lots of bonuses that are at lower thresholds from $15,000 to $20,000. So the biggest mistake that keeps people from making a lot of money with their savings is they put it in a traditional savings account, like with Chase or Wells Fargo, that only pays them 0.01%. In this example, with $50,000 in savings, that would only net them $5 per year in interest. The first payoff would be taking that $50,000 and putting it in what's known as a high yield savings account. The example I'm going to use here is Capital One's 360 Performance Savings Account, which as of the recording of this video is giving you 3.2%. That same $50,000 is now $1,600 per year, and it's in an account just like the other banks that's FDIC insured. They're just paying you a bit more for your money and giving you some of the profits that they would normally take with these other institutions. But I'm going to show you how you can nearly triple those interest earnings with those same accounts. Just like for your direct deposit and your spending, there are always banks offering sign-up bonuses for the same accounts if you know where to look. That same Capital One savings account is currently offering up to $1,500 on top of that 3.2% APY when you sign up. It's a tiered offer. If you have $100,000, you would get $1,500. $50,000, which is what we're going to use, it's $750, and then $20,000, it's $300. So how do you get this? In this case, you move your savings into that new Capital One account using the promo code that I will leave in the description. Leave your $50K in there for about 90 days, and you keep the money there during the promotional payout. So in this case, it would take you about 90 days to get that $750 bonus. But once that 90 days are up, if you want to get another bonus, just find a competing bank that has a similar offer. So in this case, with about 90 days per bonus, you can do 4 of these per year. $750 times 4 is about $3,000 in bonuses. You add that to that $1,600 you're already making with that 3.2% APY, and you end up with $4,600. So this last checkpoint is really simple. If your cash is sitting, it should be earning, and with a little more effort, you can make it earn close to triple. Just like with the other methods, there are a couple things to look out for. Bonus offers change, and moving money around can be a little annoying. Both the bonuses and the interest are taxable income. So just like with the paycheck bonus, make sure you're setting aside a little bit at the end of the year to pay your taxes. For me, I usually like to do 30% just to be conservative, and then what doesn't end up getting paid is a nice little bonus at the end. All right, so let's wrap it all up and put all 3 together. You are already getting paid, you're already spending money, and you're already keeping cash somewhere. So you may as well, like in this example, get $4,175 from your paycheck, $4,110 from your spending, and $4,600 from your saving for a total of $12,885. This is all money that was already moving through your life anyway, so you may as well make sure you're getting paid for it. You're not starting a side hustle, you're not building a business, you are not changing your life from scratch. You're just taking the paycheck you already receive, the spending you already do, and the cash you already keep, and moving those pieces so they pay you back at every single checkpoint. Most will only get paid once. You can get paid 3 times: when the money arrives, when it leaves, and while the leftover cash sits. That's the simple system. This is a repeatable framework that you can keep running year after year. I've regularly been making anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000, depending on how aggressive I'm feeling and what offers are available. So if you want to get started, all of the offers I posted in this video as of the recording are available, and I will leave those links in the description so you can start building your own version as soon as this video ends. But do keep in mind, offers change frequently, but this system still works as you find other offers to plug and play. My favorite free places to find offers like these are my curated Notion list, doctorofcredit.com, and profitablecontent.com, and of course what I cover in videos on this channel. I'm leaving links to all of these in the description. Also, if you want help organizing this into a repeatable plan, that's what I built StacksOS for. It's what I use to make the paycheck stack at the beginning of this video with current available offers, and it can help you organize your offers so you can keep track of all your bonuses and spending without juggling a bunch of spreadsheets. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. If you want a year-long plan on how to optimize your paycheck, click on this video right here.